Good morning, students. Today, we are going to study your fifth chapter, paragraph formatting in MS Words. First of all, we discuss the MS Word is the word processing software. We can give we can type the text, add the picture, give the color of the text, give the font size, give the font style, and add the picture at the table also. So these all features we can give with the help of the MS Words. And in this chapter we discuss the paragraph formattings. First of all, students, I discuss the what is the formatting, what is the meaning of the formatting. Formatting means to change the changing or arranging the text in a document to make the attractive. You can type a letters or paragraph or a story in the MS Words, and if you give the color, if you add the color, if you change the font styles and arranging nicely, it creates a very attractive documents, and that is called the formattings. Formatting means to change and arranging your text in a documents to make it attractive. In the previous classes, we already discussed the type of the formattings. There are the two type of the formattings. That is the word paragraph formattings or character formattings. Number one is character formattings and number two is paragraph formattings. When the characters formattings is applicable only for the characters. We give the font change, font style change, font color change. That is when it is particularly on base of the characters. That is called the character formattings. And in MS Words, when we give the uh, font, give the font style change for the whole paragraphs or the paragraph, that is called the paragraph formattings. Applies the paragraph formattings. How do you apply it? It is the very easy, students. There are the two process, and from when you apply in these paragraph formattings, using the paragraphs, the you give the fonts, the paragraph formats. First of all, you select your text, and after that, you go to the home tab. Next, you go to the paragraph group, and you can apply as your choice. Otherwise, then second step is the using the paragraph group in the page layout tab. Page layout tab, it is you can get it from the home tab. This method of the fuse options, there are some of the options are there, and you can apply on your text or in your paragraph, and you can see your changes of the paragraph formattings. First of all, one is the paragraph alignments. Students, now we discuss the what is the paragraph alignments. What is the meaning of the alignments? Alignment means to adjustments of the text with the edge of the paragraph. It means that it is the best of the margins. You type the text and arranging your text with the help of the margin. For the examples in the left alignments paragraph, the most is the common alignments, and it is the set with the by defaults. You can see, you can notice yourself. So when you type the your letters or documents, and it is the based on the left hand side. Start from the left hand side, and left hand side is equals, and that is called the left alignments. It is the by default setting on our famous words. The left edge of the paragraphs aligns with the left margins. The various steps to change the alignments of the lessons below. Here are the two process, and first of all you select your text or the paragraph and to with the alignments and settings. And second is the click on the recruits alignments buttons, and you can see the different type of the alignments, and you can select it and apply on your text. Students, there are the four type of the alignments, and these are the left alignment, right alignment, center alignments, and justified alignment. Here it is, you can see it is the paragraph group, and there are the four different type of the alignments: left alignments, right alignments, center alignments, and justified alignments. Here it is. Okay. Now we say the left aligns means the type the text and the left margins based on the left margin, which is the left alignments. Here it is the same example, and you can see center alignments. Here it is called center alignments. This type of the center alignment between the left and the right margins. Here you can do not get the particular right margin, left alignments, left alignments. No, both alignments you can get here. It is the mixture alignments, the center alignments. And now it is the right alignments. You can see, students, the type of the alignments of the right margins. It is the based on the right margins, and the right side of the margins are the equals. So it is called the right alignments. Justify. The type of the alignments of the left and as well as the right margin centers evenly the aligns the text. And students, you can apply from the your text or the paragraph group, or otherwise that you can apply on the shortcut method. Shortcut method is a very easy, and you just the select your text and go to the your keyboards and press the Control plus L for the left alignments, Control plus R for the right alignments, Control plus E is equal to center alignment, and Control plus J for the justify alignments. So then, students, it is the very easy. I hope that everybody do it. Control plus L is equal to left alignments, Control plus R is equal to right alignments, Control plus E for center alignments, and Control plus J for the justify alignments of the paragraph. Now I give the line spacings. We learn about the line spacings. You think yourself the what is the line spacings? If you write the letter or paragraph or a story in MS words, and you do not give the space between the two lines, then you can't understand, and your text is the not readable for the other. So you arranging your text the carefully and nicely, and so we can apply the line spacings also, and we can add the space between the two lines within the paragraph by adjustments and the line spacings. Students, you can see that here the if I do not give this space between the two lines up and down, these two lines, so you cannot understand your your text will be look like a watch. And for the attractive lookings, and we give the line spacings between the two lines. The various steps to change the line spacings and the lessons below. these are the select. First of all, you select your paragraph or text, and after that, place the cursor on the paragraph roof for give to change the line spacings. Students, you first of all you go to the home tab, after that paragraph move, after that you go to the line and paragraph spacings buttons. Here it is, you can see here it is. It is the alignments group, and here it is the line spacings. When you click on it, there is the drop down list is come out. That triangle is a small triangular here, and drop down here it is. See, the drop down list is covered. Different type of the spacings you options you can get it, and you can choose as your choice. And after that you can apply on your text. Click the required lines and spacings buttons to the options and the space between two lines to adjust the accordingly. Students, the one is the more extra knowledge. By default, the 2007 the line spacings is the set for the 1.15. It is for the 2007. Already by default it is set. Already set. When you type your text, automatically you take the space between the two lines, which is the amount is 1.15. Next we want to give the border on the text, and it is the very easy. Borders are the borders and the setting makes a document for looking attractive prominence. We can't add them to a paragraph or the entire page. You can, if you want to give the only paragraph or one or two paragraph for give the border, you can give it. Otherwise, if you want to give the full page border, and you can also give it. So both options are there. So now, students, how you can do the border spacings and how do you apply on your text? It is the very easy steps are there. Here, first of all, you select your text. Here, where you enter or where you create the border. So then, students, you can select your text and clicking the drop arrow of the border buttons. Here it is. And where you get this border buttons? Very easy. Go to the home tab. After that, go to the paragraph group. Click on it, and you can see the border options. Or means the first of all you get see the alignments options. After that, you see the line spacings. After that, you can see the border option. Here it is. Now I see you here. Here, border option. When you click on it, different type of options are come out. Here, look like this. Different type of here you can see it. Different type of borders options you can get it. Some is the thick line, some is thin line, some is if you want to give the only line border, if you want to give the picture based border, then you can give it. If you want to give the different shape type borders, you can get different variety type borders options are given here. Okay, and now click the desired borders options and make the borders the selected is. One is more, students, if you want to give the one side border, you can apply on it. Or you can, if you want to give the both side border, means left and right side border, so you can apply it. Otherwise, if you want to full page border, then you can also apply this. We can give the different sets and select the text by the clicking on the down arrow key of the settings buttons. In the paragraph group, and where it is get is the home tab. Home tab paragraph group, you can see the this setting options. A theme colors boxes appear. When you click on it, and different type of color options you can get, and you can choose and apply on your text. Here it is. Next, you apply the indentations. What is indentations? Indentations means the positionings, the paragraph or the page. It is arranging your text as a margins and help the determines the width of the areas where the text was written. It is also the records to as a documents area. Indentation is used to documents used to determine the distance of the paragraphs for either a left or right margins within the manager. We can increase and decrease the indentations of the paragraph or a group of the paragraph. See students, here it is I applied the indentations. How it is possible? If you select the text, go to the home tab. After that, go to the paragraph group and indentations options are there. And here it is the decrease indentation, the increase indentations. When you click the decrease indentations, your text comes to near the margin. Come near to the margin. This is the decrease indentations. And if you select the increase indentations and click on it, and your text go far away from the margin. Okay. That is the difference between the increase and decrease indentations. The various steps to the increase and decrease indentations and the indentations of the paragraph or a paragraph group of the paragraph are the lessons below. First of all, you select the area of the text. Click on the increase indentations and decrease indentations buttons in the paragraph group and the home tab. Next, we want to apply the bullets. Students, why do we apply the bullets? Because we get interest for our text. We create the interest for our text. Okay, and the bullets and the number bullets and the number bullets are also the paragraph formatting options. This can be used to distinguish a list of the points from the rest of the text. The numbers are usually used where the points have to be the particular orders. Students, here you suppose you can think that you can create a whole text and whole text, you can type the full text and about your text is in about suppose some vegetables. Okay, numbers of the vegetables are there, and you describe on it. If you give the points and give the vegetables names, a list of the vegetables, the main points are turned out in the point, give the points, then it is come the very interesting and who is the reader, and these points are quickly come out in his eyes. Just to go through it and understand about this text. So for this course, we use the bullets and numbers bullets. And students, the numbers are the usually used where the points are have to be the particulars order, such as the list of the steps the performs a task. The bullets are the normally used to the points that do not necessarily have to be the particulars order, such as in a list of vegetables. To use the defaults bullets and the numbers bullets. Simply the clicks on the bullets and the numbers bullets are the paragraph rules. Bullets, you can see the when you click on the bullets and you can get the different type of the options. Here it is the one, it is the one, and it is the give the border also the numbers, and it is the numericals Romans, and it is the alphabetical bullets. It is the capital letters alphabet bullets. It is the small letter alphabet bullets. So then different type of bullets options you can get from the bullets book. How do you apply it? It is the very easy. First of all, you select your paragraphs or the bullets if you want to the bullets in the paragraph group. Bullets of the number will be the added in the documents, and it will be the continued each of the paragraphs. You press the enters and one and another bullets and numbers and clickings. You can also apply the bullets and the numbers to the text and the list of the stage and the highlightings is the clickings of the bullets and it is the numbering bullets of the paragraph in the reverse. If we want to add the specific bullets of the numbers styles, and we need to click on the arrow and make the text to the receiving the bullets. There are the many bullets and the numbers options are the available. We can select the one and we want which we want. Now, if you want to remove the text, remove the bullets and numbers bullets. So what you can do? You can remove the bullets or the from the text. It is a very easy. Highlight the text of the bullets and numbers and the place or the cursor, and the next enter the backspace. With the backspace, bullets are go to the erase with the help of the backspace, and you can delete the bullets or remove the bullets from your text. Now we discuss about the sorting. What is the sorting? Sorting is the paragraph formatting the also includes the options of the sorting list. A list can includes the lines of the text, the paragraph numbers, and the actuals the list of the data. The various steps of the sortings and the list are the listing windows. Highlighting the items of being the sorted from the paragraph group, and we can go to the first of all go to the home tab, after that go to the paragraph group, and after that you can see the sort buttons. Here it look like this, the A to Z here. Another is Z. The sort options of the text is the appear and choose from the given options. And you can select it for the sort. And we can also the sort by the more than options, and then after that we can sort it. When you have a lot of options, that time you can apply on your text the sorting options. Otherwise it is not. Once we have the select the text options and the click OK. Next, the text will go to the sorted. Okay. I hope everybody understand this and go through this chapter. Thank you.